Today, guys, we're going to teach you guys how to make a chocolate zucchini bread.
Yeah.
So what we have here is 15 grams of flax, 30 grams of water, 112 grams of coconut sugar, 80 grams of coconut oil, 200 grams of zucchini, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 180 grams of sprouted spelt, which has 5 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And then we have 165 grams of milk and 45 grams of chocolate
You will
chips.
also need a whisk, a spatula, and a bowl to mix it.
First, we're going to take the flaxseed and the water, dump them in the bowl, and give it a little whisk. Now, we're going to take the coconut sugar and the milk, put it in the bowl, and mix once again. So now we're going to take our coconut oil and zucchini and dump it in.
Leave it, dump it in.
Yep, I'm definitely not putting this on YouTube. Okay, cut it off!
One.
Now we're going to add cocoa powder and chocolate chips into our dry ingredients.
Bye bye, chocolate chip.
After you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, you're going to mix your wet and dry ingredients together.
Bye.
After we pour our mixture in the pan, we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And if you want to, you can add extra chocolate chips on top. There we go, our chocolate zucchini loaf. I hope you guys liked it, and tell your kids to eat your veggies. Bye.
Bye.